Hey, what's going on, guys? Stamp778 here, back with another video. Like you guys saw in the title, today we are going to be doing yet another unboxing video, but today is a little bit different. I will be unboxing these Hot Wheel cars. Now, I know, some of you guys are like, well, you usually do, like, quote-unquote, older stuff than this. But, you know, I just decided to spice it up a little bit, get into the Halloween holiday. So I just went and I actually received these as a gift from my grandparents. I got some Hot Wheel cars, so some Halloween themed Hot Wheel cars. So honestly, I'm really excited about these. When I was a bit younger, I mean, like, Hot Wheels never get old, but like I used to play with them a ton when I was younger. And it's awesome because these are like how do you say it? Special edition. I don't know if they're limited edition, but they're special for this 2019 Halloween. It just came out, I don't know, recently. I don't stay up to date on Hot Wheels anymore, unfortunately, but I'm super excited for these. So anyway, let's get into each one of them, and I'll just unbox them for you guys. Alright, guys, so pretty much what I see is just you know, regular Hot Wheels packaging. It's got the car, got the cool back to it. Also, what I see is this car. I do recognize this car. I don't know if it's in the series, but I do recognize this car. It is not actually, like, it doesn't actually look like this. It doesn't have this kind of paint job. I actually own this car, or I guess it's not mine. It's my little brother's, but this car resides in my house, but it has a different paint job. So I'm gonna assume these cars are all remakes or redos of other Hot Wheels cars that we've seen before. But anyway, let's get into the first one really quick. This is number 1 of 6. So there are 6 of these Halloween themed cars. Sorry, it's a bit blurry. I'm using my macro lens. And I received 4 of them. It looks like I received 1, 3, 4, 5. So I'm just missing 2 and 6. So who knows, guys? I might be able to get them. I'm not sure. If I go to the store, you can probably get them. I don't know. I'm not quite sure where my grandparents got these. But let's open the first one right here. Number 1 again is Rigger Motor. That's interesting. And 3 and up. So I'm definitely over the age of 3. This car looks pretty cool. Looks kind of like a drag racer. I am interested in cars, just not specifically Hot Wheel cars. On the back, oh yeah. Here's all the cars. So we got this one. We did not get this one, Torque Screw. We got this one. We got this one. We got this one, and we did not get this one. So I do recognize this one. That one, Power Rocket, looks like the one on the front, and this one looks like the Altered Ego one, which we have. So we have one on the front, but not the other one. Also, I just want to kind of like recognize this epic big scene on there. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, I will go ahead and, honestly, I'll open it. Why not? Let's just open this up, guys, and we will test the car out, I guess. If you want to, you might. That'll actually be in another video. This is just the unboxing. If you guys want us to do something special with these cars, I need you to go ahead in the comments and put down, do a freaking Hot Wheels video, sorry. Do that, and I will definitely give you guys one. So, let's open this up, and yeah. Alright, so we are opening this up right now. And I don't know, I'm a little hesitant to open this up because my siblings are going to be like, let me open it. And I'm like, well, I'm sorry, they're already open. But who cares, for YouTube, for the views. Let's go ahead, open this guy up. Came out really easy. If you guys have ever opened a Hot Wheels car, which it's a shame if you haven't, it's really easy to get out. It's awesome. There we go. Put that to the side. And here is our car, guys. That looks super epic. Okay, guys, just looking at this car, you can pretty much see some pipes on the sides. You can see the number 19, which is probably for 2019, and it has some pretty cool blue wheels. I'm pretty sure that these wheels might be glow in the dark. I think that might be what the package said. See if I can see it real quick. It says... Let's see. Sorry. You guys can check that car out real quick. Alright, look at this. No, nothing on the package. I don't know. Maybe we'll try that out later in the next video if you guys comment. There you go. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the car. Engine looks really sleek, and I can also see this kind of like bat-like thing on the front. I don't know if you guys can see that because I don't have my macro lens as of right now. But it looks pretty cool. It has the logo for the actual thing. And I'm so sorry you guys cannot see it. And this is kind of like where the driver goes. It's kind of weird. I'm sorry. Just had to point that out. It's really weird. The seats right there. Anyway, that car looks really cool. I'm gonna go ahead, open the last cars, and then I will show you those in just 1 second. Alright guys, so I have successfully opened up all these cars and made a total mess of my table over here. But that's alright, I will clean it up later. Anyway, I got my lens back on, which you guys, yeah. I'll just show you this real quick. Driver's seat, which is pretty cool. And he has like this logo, which is blue on this car and different colors on the other cars, which I'll show you soon. And I just kind of like that cool bat. Anyway. Next car, that was kind of a quick recap. I love this car. It looks super duper cool. The thing that popped out to me the most was kind of like the cool green. The green, it's like all green, all black. Even the fire's green. The green popped out a lot to me. And on both sides you can see it says Happy Halloween 2019. So that is pretty cool because I'm pretty sure last time I checked it was 2019, but I don't know. He also has another logo that is green for him, and I'll show you guys like I said, I'll show you the last ones later. But the first thing I kind of see about this car, other than this, was it's kind of like a drag racer, because it has a way longer body. Like, it's not just this long, it's way longer. It's like extended. It's like a drag racer, but they just kind of slapped this guy on here. Anyway, that's kind of cool, and it is confirmed a drag racer. It has these cool things at the bottom, so when the car like zooms up, it goes like this. Yeah. Anyway, engine on top, and it has these cool flies in the back, and the back looks really neat too. And yeah, that's awesome. I don't know if these wheels are glow in the dark, but you never know, guys. We just might have to find out later. All right, the second to last car is named, did I tell you what this guy's name was? Alter Ego? I'm pretty sure I did. This guy is named Rocket Box. That is really, really interesting because he looks like a flipping box. What do you know? And he is Volkswagen, so for all you Volkswagen haters out there, there you go. You probably hate him. Anyway, he looks pretty cool though, I think. Sorry guys. He has the cool flames coming out of the tires, and he has like he has a way different. He has a bunch of combinations of different colors. He's got purple, he's got yellow, he's got green, he's got orange, he's got the black, he's got I think those are all the colors. But like just these guys, this guy was just like blue, black. That's pretty much it. Like the silver. This guy was just green and black and like a tiny bit of yellow. This guy has all sorts of colors, which makes it really weird. Has two things on the top. I don't know what the heck that is. He also has tons of fire on the top, so it's really cool. I have no visible engine on here, not on the bottom, not on the top, not anything over there. But he just looks really super duper small. He's just super duper short. But his wheels are probably, yes, they are confirmed the biggest wheels. Yes, that's confirmed. He has the biggest wheels. So that is really cool. And he goes back and forth really easily, so that's neat. Yeah. And I think this guy was number 4 out of the 6. Yes, yes. Sorry, I was just looking over there, just to see. Anyway, that is Rocket Box, and it looks like we have only one left to do. So, guys, let's wrap this up. The very last car is named Cove Light. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully, there you go, Cove Light. This guy looks pretty like beast actually. He has, of course, the logo, which is gray, just like the rest of his car. He has kind of like this metallic kind of look, but he's also clear, so he's like all the way see-through. So if you look real closely, you can kind of see through most of the car, which I think is pretty cool. It's a cool touch. I've only seen a couple cars that are completely this clear, not just like transparent, like blue or something like that. I think this is only the second car I've seen that has that, which is pretty neat. You guys probably don't even care, but I do. Yeah. Let's see, what else do we have on this guy? I think that's pretty much it. He has a couple spikes on here near the logo that I saw on top. And it looks like you look really close. I don't know what it says. Oh, it says Happy Halloween. That's a cool Easter egg. If you guys look really closely, trying to get a good light on it. It says Happy Halloween right there. I thought it was just a bunch of lines, but no, it actually says something. Happy Halloween, and of course it has to say on this side. There you go. That's a good one. So that is our very last car, and this is an American car because the driver's wheel is on the right side. So, look back. Anyway, guys, there is all of our cars, and there you go. That's probably a bit better for y'all. I hope you guys liked this, and if you did like it, you might as well go ahead and actually like this video, because if this video gets a ton of likes, and I mean like plus 10 plus likes, let's do the same Oreo taste testing thing, 10 plus likes, we'll go with 50 plus views. This thing gets 50 plus views, 10 plus likes, I will do an entirely another video with, I don't know, guys. I might just do like, I might just go hard and just buy like 5 or 6 cars. Unless I get the rest of this series, I'm unfortunately not able to do the rest of these cars. But you never know. Like, I definitely do not have a small budget. But you know, I don't want to spend all my money on these if you guys aren't gonna like it. So like this video, 10 plus likes, 50 plus views, that's 10 more views than my Oreo taste testing video, and we will do an entirely another video with these Hot Wheels. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching. This is Stamp778, and I will see you guys in the next video.